I have this dresser and it came to me without a few handles, and most of them are falling off because they were using nails, which is fine, but being able to pull it all the time, the nails started coming out. I made this little brass piece that's going to go right here for like a label. I don't know what to label it though, so I'm just leaving it blank. This was the first piece I did. I hand cut it out and drilled some holes on it, and then I took off all the handles. It's pretty obvious where I had handles and where I didn't have handles. We have this great little jig that we use to measure exactly where we're going to drill and put the holes. As you can see, the new handles don't line up perfectly with the holes of the old ones. It's just slightly different. I use this little thing to punch little holes into it before I drill it, and then I'm putting in screws for that. And these brass screws were great, but boy, are they soft. I put in the 2 side ones, and then I did the bottom screws, and this is it, all done. I really like it. It's solid brass handles now. They're really posh now, but over time they will look really nice. I don't know how old this dresser is, but I love the chalky pinkish light color texture to it. It's just so charming. I've been wanting to do this project for years, but those handles are expensive, you guys.